What's up guys, this is Sanju, and I'm getting ready to transform this desk chair using Rust-Oleum's Custom Spray 5-in-1. Let's get started. With 5 spray patterns, I'll be able to paint the unique shapes and details on this chair easier and faster with less strips and overspray and a better end result. I'll start by prepping my space and priming my chair, using Rust-Oleum primer of course. And now it's time to start painting. I went with a semi-gloss anodized bronze for a neutral look. First, I'm going to choose a low output setting for the legs of the chair. This means I'll get a nice coat on these without as many drips, which can be a problem area with these smaller sections. And since these legs are pretty small, using low output means I'm not wasting all of my paint trying to cover them. I'm also going to go in with the standard setting in other spots where I need to, like on this section where the legs connect to the base. It's a good catch-all setting for mid-sized pieces like this. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Now I'll choose the horizontal fan for the metal of the seat of the chair and the back support. These sections are pretty tall and flat, so the horizontal fan applies nicely. Now we've got some even coverage on these longer shapes. Then I'll go back and put the finishing touches on some details that I missed. And once it dries, it's time to put the wheels and the seats on and make this frame into an actual chair. Wow, look at that guys, a metal chair just like new. And now it's going back in my garage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out other videos to learn how the Custom Spray 5-in-1 can help you spray anything.